Chevelle, commercial class. Force, smoke, chef motors, General Motors in my thighs. Spaghetti cutters, stains, Coopers in the traffic, Valves, not Chevelle's commercial class.
Ooh, not out of the local newspaper, but out of the auto trader. Cleaning the virgin coochie, my nig, one owner cutlass player. The beat, black monster cables, the speakers thumping, trunk sounding like King Kong and Godzilla back there thumping. All we do is drink and get high and pedal and push. Organic tweed, not mystery weed, just purple kush. I cut the wheel well on my whip and filled that bitch up. Now my muscle car sitting high like a monster truck. Monster up, suck up to none, don't be no poodle. Split his pack open like a pack of top Roman noodle. In the heart of the soil where you can find me. Try me, fuck boy, and get your face put on a white tee. 40 turf talk and keep the sneak. With the maniacs voices and them styles is hecka unique. High speed chases and running lights. Water in the duels make loud glass pipes.
Force, smoke, chef motors, General Motors in my thighs. Spaghetti cutters, stains, Coopers in the traffic, Valves, not Chevelle, commercial class. Force, smoke, chef motors, General Motors in my thighs. Spaghetti cutters, stains, Coopers in the traffic, Valves, not Chevelle's commercial class. Far brown crockery, 4-speed tranny, dual exhaust, dipped in sauce. My car is a beast, catch me in the streets, sideways through the east side, boy, crunk like Lil John. Show 40 and Mac kick the last dime. East Oakland, the land of the sideshow. Richmond, Frisco, to the Valley Joe. I'm riding sideways, this way, that way. Those open in the traffic, hold on, hello. Shitting on them, no farting. 455 got me running up on Austin Martins. Rear end for the streets, not the freeway. Being there, shift kick, me and Dave Fame. On my Sully silk, straight lace with no fucking juice. Mobbing in my old school like Lil Bruce. Force, smoke, chef motors, General Motors in my thighs. Spaghetti cutters, stains, Coopers in the traffic, Valves, not Chevelle, commercial class. Force, smoke, chef motors, General Motors in my thighs. Spaghetti cutters, stains, Coopers in the traffic, Valves, not Chevelle's commercial class.
About 15, beach range. Told niggas fuck rallies, why God was mine. But it's all candy, don't hate because you ain't me. Rice, fool, smoke in your face, soon. Supercharger, push this button, that's my engine starter. Pistol tuck, might be priming, but my engine souped up. Foot to the floor, when you open yours, don't scratch my doors. 350, I push heavy, not a Ford. It's a Chevy, first owner, not too many miles on her. Rep the bite, we don't rep California. I'ma run you for your corno. Why you don't got SS in front of your Monte Carlo? Resident full of white folks, I'ma leave fresh tire marks on top of the asphalt.
Force, smoke, chef motors, General Motors in my thighs. Spaghetti cutters, stains, Coopers in the traffic, Valves, not Chevelle, commercial class. Force, smoke, chef motors, General Motors in my thighs. Spaghetti cutters, stains, Coopers in the traffic, Valves, not Chevelle's commercial class.
You got a muscle car, you fucking with the muscle cars. You got a muscle car, you fucking with the muscle cars. You got a muscle car, you fucking with the muscle cars. You got a muscle car, you fucking with the muscle cars.